Hello everyone. I am sure that you all have heard about teeth grinding. Now, teeth grinding is actually called as bruxism, and the people who have this habit of teeth grinding are called as bruxers. You can look into the slide and you can understand how stressful is this habit of bruxism, which leads to lot of issues not only in your teeth but also in your surrounding jaw, in your joint which is there of your jaw, and also a lot of pain in your cheek muscles. Now, this teeth grinding or this bruxism is something which your dentist should tell you or you have been read about it. We are going to talk about it now. It's a teeth grinding. About 8 to 10 percentage of the population globally are affected by this problem. And it is not just grinding your teeth, it is one of the symptoms of bruxism, and it is commonly associated with clenching of your jaw, forceful clenching of your jaw. Bruxism is split into two types. One is you only have clenching or grinding in sleep, which is called sleep bruxism, and one is the whole day, which is awake bruxism, which is characterized by lack of grinding teeth, but involuntary clenching and bracing of your jaw will be there. So basically, when you have this grinding or clenching in night, it is called as bruxism. When you have it in the whole daytime, it is called as bruxomania. And the people who do this are called as bruxers. Whatever or whichever it is present, the problems or the symptoms, what you see will be jaw pain, discomfort, and reduced movement of your lower jaw. You see worn out or damaged teeth, as you're seeing in the figures, broken teeth, severe headaches, and earaches, and a lot of pain in the jaw, which I have told you. You see a lot of tightness, a lot of swelling of your jaw muscles, which is a masseter muscle. You can see in the figure how the teeth have got attrited or grinded. And slowly, as you see the third figure, you can see how your bite gets collapsed and your smile gets totally distorted in that way. Why people grind? There are multiple reasons why people grind, but one of the most common reason which is believed scientifically is stress and anxiety. That is why most of the people in their young adulthood or middle age are affected by this problem, and they become worse in your as the age increases. Especially some medications, some recreational drugs, or underlying medical issues can also lead to bruxism. Some antidepressants, some drugs like cocaine may also induce teeth grinding, both while awake and asleep. Parkinson disease, depression, anxiety disorders, all of them may contribute to bruxism or grinding of your teeth. How will you stop it? Or how to stop the grinding of your teeth? There are specific cures for every problem, but in this particular situation or clinical situation, there is no specific cure of how to stop bruxism because it's absolutely psychological or psychosomatic issues because of which it happens and presents or elicits your clenching or grinding of your teeth. The only thing what we can do or a palliative treatment for a dentist can provide to you is by giving you a splint or a mouth guard. You would have heard of this, also called as a night guard, which is an effective way to manage this problem. Basically, to prevent the loss of the tooth structure by wearing it on your tooth surfaces. These don't address the cause, they do manage the effect. That is most important. We cannot correct the cause for that, but only thing is what it is leading to is grinding of your teeth, which can be prevented and reduce the damage to your teeth. So what happens if your teeth get grinded or worn off? What happens? Basically, what happens is sensitivity, mobility of your teeth. Your bite gets collapsed. Your smile, you start getting your both your upper and lower jaw starts getting shortened up. So what basically happens is all these symptoms which are not good for your health, always disturbing for you, and we cannot prevent it because it's basically the prevention is your psychological issues which has to be resolved. So these night guards are given at dental office. They are not available preformed. You need to visit the dental office. The dentist will evaluate. try and diagnose the condition, whether it is bruxism or no, or maybe some other underlying reasons. Try and make an impressions out of it, and then these are delivered to you at the dental office. The bottom line I would like to conclude is, finally, there are a lot of conditions. Simply being as healthy as possible can be the only solution for this problem. This is what I can say at the bottom. You be healthy, think healthy, and that will reduce or minimize your bruxism. Basically, the management, palliative management is this. Otherwise, there are other options. You have got cognitive behavioral therapy, which can be done. You have got a good management of giving you good sleep management treatment has to be given, and antidepressant has to be treated, and all those things are also the other aspects of this, and especially regular dental checkups and all to evaluate what level of grinding has already happened, and you have to treat the symptoms and causes for that. Thank you so much.